not cooperate.
Oh, I will cooperate.
Shut up! Do not talk unless spoken to! Alright. So let's see here. What were you doing around this town?
Playing paint. I mean, airsoft.
Bullshit! Come on, man. Don't lie to me. I don't want to hurt you.
I was here to play airsoft.
Shut up!
Oh, my penis.
That's funny. Do not fucking curse me. See that? Every time you don't cooperate, you get shot. Let's try again.
Yes.
What were you doing around here?
Playing airsoft.
We got bogeys! Airport! You stay here, Dave. Stay. Keep recording. Keep recording.
Alright, yeah. Alright. I'm about to spit some bars.
Stay there with him.
What the biggest chair? What the fuck?
Right here.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna shut up now.
That's my bad, though. It's my bad.
Stop moving. Stay in your little corner.
Watch this. No. Put your legs down. Yeah, you know how to close these guys, right? Get him up. Alright. Yo, we need a couple men to help us get him up. They're blanking. Make sure they do not get it.
Yo, Dave,
Dick, go close that door.
Close that door, Dave.